Phiire is the Pathogen Host Interactions and Immunology Research and Education program for undergrads from around the U.S. and it gives them the opportunity to get biomedical research experience in the microbiology and immunology department.
I felt like this program was going to offer much more experience and really hands-on in a specific project geared towards me and my research interests. This program also lets you kind of be one-on-one with a mentor and kind of have your own project and experience in the lab.
We have amazing students and it's a very fun experience. You learn how to present your research. You get to develop very good relationships with people in the lab, people outside of the lab, and even within other undergraduate programs because they usually all run at the same time during the summer. So it provides great networking opportunities for developing researchers.
This program has really just offered me a great idea of what the day-to-day is like in graduate school, what kind of steps you have to go through, whether it's something that I can do or something that I might not be so good at, and so it's just been very helpful.